Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to work on Zoom, whether you are joining a meeting, hosting one, or just getting started. First, you need to download the Zoom application from zoom.us/download or from Microsoft Store. Alright. Once it's installed, open the app, this one, and sign in with your computer, tablet, or phone. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. First, if you want to host a new meeting, so you can just click into this icon, new meeting. That's in case you want it right now. Just like that. You choose the microphone that you set up, the microphone that you want to choose, and you set up the camera. Then click on start. This one, my Zoom, also is not a premium Zoom, so my options is limited, not like the premium one. So you can manage the participants from here, you can chat from here. Of course, you can mute and unmute your mic. You can stop the video. Also, you can react just like that. Use emojis, and you can share this record also. And there are too much tools that you might love. Alright, that's how to create to host a new meeting, and from here you end the meeting for everyone, or just you leave the meeting. This option is for you because and only if you are the host of that meeting. Alright, now if you want to join a meeting that's not yours and you are inviting, just put the meeting ID that the host give it to you. I don't know, for example, it's an ID, and you put your name. Then you choose don't connect to audio if you want, or turn off my video, or both. Then you click on join. Alright, now if you want to share screen, you click on share screen, then you enter the Sharkin Key or meeting ID. Alright, here is the thing. If you want to schedule a meeting in a date, and if you want to inform your friends before the meeting, before 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and whenever you want, you just put the date here and the time, the beginning, that's the time and the date of the beginning of the meeting, and that's the time and the date of the end. So when you set up this once, you just go and fill this blankets. It's easy. You can put a passcode. You can select this one waiting room that can only users admitted by the host can join the meeting, etc. And then you click on save, which sends you to your Gmail. Okay. And you set up the meeting and the date and the time that you already used. Okay, so let's go to more options, make it a Zoom meeting, and continue, and everything is filled right here. then click on save. That's it. Anyways, I guess I showed you how to work and how to use Zoom app, and I hope that video is helpful, and I hope that you like that video. So if that video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and beloved ones, and thank you for watching.